You only need the bag.
Be like, guys, I'm doing a I'm gonna say ramen challenge.
I'll correct you on this shit.
Don't blame me. Alright, guys. I'm doing ramen. Alright, guys. We're doing a spicy ramen challenge. You gotta be young like that.
We're 6 hours.
Anyways, we're doing a spicy ramen challenge 2 times. I bought it on Amazon. And this is the 5 in a pack. We're not about to eat 5 in a pack, because no. That's yours. This is me. Hold up the ramen.
Dude, come on. What you doing if I get upset?
Hold up your ramen.
Come on.
Hold up your ramen.
I'm really about to move.
Alright, guys. Anyways, we about to go warm up our ramen. Heat up our ramen. What is it? Heat it up, boil it up. Boil up our ramen. BRB. Show your ramen. Alright, we're gonna eat it now, right? Alright, let's go. I'm scared. I don't even want to eat it. I'll take this.
She hot, cuz. Nah.
Is that? Is that? Is that hot? I'm really scared. Oh, I'm really scared. Ah! No, I can't do this. I don't think I can do this.
Cut. Don't eat it.
Don't eat it? Is that hot for real? Come on, anybody tell you to dog it down like that? I'm scared. No. I'm gonna
take peppers on. That shit hot.
I'm gonna take a little bit at a time. So you done? You done? I'm gonna eat mine little bit, like by little bit. I'm scared. Like, I can't do this. I can't do this. Ah!
Tastes good though.
It do? It tastes good? Okay, let me eat it. Ah! Ah! It's mad.
Stop fucking screaming.
No, this is mad hot. Ah! Ah! I really can't eat this.
I'm about to bring a pack for real.
I don't want to eat it no more.
Bring a pack for that.
I feel like I can't breathe already.
Nah, I'm done.
Ah! Ah! Woo! It do taste kind of good though, but it's too hot for me. I'm scared to take the second I'm gonna eat mine. No, I can't eat this for real. I feel like it's gum coming through my nose. I can't do this. I'm too scared. Let me get some drink. Don't do it? He told me don't do it. He told me don't do it. Oh my god, that was crazy. Alright, let me finish. I can't do this. What was I thinking? I'm so hot. I can't finish it.
I won.
No, you ain't win because you gotta finish it.
I took 3.
I can't eat this. I swear I'm about to vomit right now.
Go in the bathroom.
Ah! Don't stop my video. You crazy? Ah! Ah! I can't breathe.
Stop screaming.
It's too hot.
You screaming?
I'm gonna cry. I don't know what I was thinking. You're not gonna finish? I can't do it. I can't do it. I give up. I give up. This was a fail. Bad idea.
Delete the whole fucking video.
I'm not deleting it. I'm still posting it.
Don't post that shit.
Sit down. You wanna do it properly? Mama on fire. How do we feel? Alright, y'all. So we did not eat this. I gave up. He gave up. Look. This is not hot. I can't do it. I gave up. Nothing won't help it. I'm on fire. This is mad hot.
My ear with that.
It's mad hot. I didn't. You finish your oranges?
Yeah. I'm good.
Alright, y'all. I tried to do it. I couldn't do it. I gave up. I tried to do it. I couldn't do it. I gave up. Wait, where's the pack? Oh, I'll put it up. Yeah? Whatever. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Say bye. That's how you end it?
I'm about to move. I'm telling you. I'm gonna let you introduce it by yourself. I'm gonna let you introduce it by yourself.
I can't do it. I keep laughing. I think it's you.
It is. It really is. It really is. I'm step to the side. Just introduce it. Just introduce it without me. You ain't gonna. You ain't. You got this shit done. I'm telling you.